Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the switch supports Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and that your phone app matches the device. Power the switch and place it near your router. Weak signal causes pairing failures. Open the app, create or sign into an account, then grant location and Bluetooth permissions so discovery works. Once done, choose Add Device in the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password because the switch needs network access to be controlled remotely. You now put the switch into pairing mode. Typically, you press and hold the switch for 5-10 seconds until an LED blinks. In the app, select the blinking device, then enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi credentials because most smart switches do not support 5 GHz. After connection, name the device and assign it to a room or group so voice assistants can find it. Make sure to enable cloud control if you want remote access. This creates a persistent link between your phone and the switch. You finish by testing the switch. Toggle it from the app, then set schedules or automations for routine control. Next, link the switch account to your voice assistant by authorizing the skill or service in Alexa or Google Home so you can say commands instead of tapping the phone. If the setup fails, first reboot the router and the switch, move your phone within 1 meter of the device, and retry pairing. This resolves most signal and discovery issues quickly, so don't skip those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.